Okay, so I am going to show you how to open PowerShell. You type in the search bar power or PowerShell, you'll see it right there. This is what it looks like. Okay, and then you copy and paste this into PowerShell. They're gonna give you a warning. The time I make this video, this is work, this is authentic, this is Windows 11 that I have. Just to kind of do a little check that somehow nobody has changed the description of the video with this PowerShell code, that it's safe. You see, you paste, and it takes a few minutes. Now here, you might hit enter. Yeah, I hit enter, and then it pulls these up. The devices on my network, and when you have the MAC ID of the camera you're looking for, then you'll have the address. Okay, so once you've downloaded and installed the Blue Iris software, you open the software and you click on Add Camera. I'm going to name mine Pet Cam because that's what this is, and I hit. Mine has motion detector. I think it has audio. I'll try that. So here it wants to find the camera. That's where we go back to our PowerShell script results. I am selecting the MAC address of my camera, which is C30E-D. So that's this IP address. So I look for the MAC address and I find the IP address, and this is the IP address I put here. So 10.0.0.10. And look, it found it. And now I hit OK. OK. And ta-da! It's working. Voila! You have your security camera without purchasing the NVR. And this is the camera from Lorex I used. I used a dome camera. It will also work for the bullet camera. So once you get the power supply to it, because if you don't have a power over Ethernet device, your Ethernet cable will not power it alone. So I ordered that from Amazon, the 12 volt 2 amp regulated power adapter. Plug that in, and then I showed you all the steps to get it running in Blue Iris. I did pay for the single camera license for Blue Iris, which is about $30, and to have it on my phone is $10. And so now whenever I'm not home, I can just open the app on my phone. It works with both Android and iPhone, and I can see what's going on my camera. It also notifies me every time that there's movement if I wanted to, so I can see when someone is moving in this area.